tune is called epiyen parhar, which means the girl or the daughter went to the pasture, I assume to work. I'll quickly go through it. So I'll break it down into probably two parts. Starting forward and using the second finger only on the middle chord and only playing the middle chord. So it should sound like that. So forward with the second finger on the middle chord, and then coming back we're going to play the zil chord with the second finger. So it's forward, back, and then we're going to drop the third finger on the middle chord. So it's forward, and then backwards is only with no fingers. So it's forward with the middle finger on the middle chord, and then backwards we're going to tilt the Lyra slightly and play only the zil side with no fingers. It should sound like that. So it's and then it's again the second finger on the zil chord, playing back and forward, or forward and back, trembling this time. Trembling on the forward and no tremble on the back. It's forward, back. So it's, and then it's, so only playing the zil chord, and it's second and first. So it's forward, back, forward with the second finger down, back with the first finger down, and then we're going to tremble. So it's, and then it's, I'm going to do this, the same movement as before with the third finger down, forward and back, forward with it down, and back with it with no fingers. So it's, and then twice on the zil side with no fingers, and finishing with the tremble on the second finger on the middle chord. So it's